Hey Rush fam, how is everybody doing? So again, another video outside of Jamaica. We're in Brickell, the financial district of Miami, right outside of Miami Beach. We will be doing a quick walk around the town of Brickell. So definitely stay tuned. That's the rail up there. Both train and what they call Metro Mover that offers free rides from different areas to different destinations. So stay tuned. We're basically going to take a walk around Brickell, show you guys different things. Some very tall building here as well. Some of these buildings over 30 floors. I guess these are some of the buildings that Pete is, wishing for Jamaica to get in the near future. So Brickell, Miami, stay tuned. Remember, it's the Discovery Boss Rush and it's Rush Raymore Reviews. Let's go take a walk together. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts about Miami generally. Let me know your thoughts about Brickell. Let me know your thoughts about things you may want to compare to Jamaica that we can improve on, because it's all about improvement. There's a Chinese word that's named Kaizen, which is big for the Chinese, and it's about constant improvement. So, despite how Jamaica is developing, there's always improvement and there's always things we can learn. So let us know in the comment section. Brickell, that's where we are. Alright, so the ground floor of this tower will be the Sexy Fish restaurant. This entire complex has been under construction for 3 to 4 years. So we have restaurant and commercial at the bottom, then we have parking above, and then apartment complexes on top of that. So take a quick look. Still not finished yet, almost finished. So it's approximately 60 floors. So 60 floors. Back in Jamaica we have nothing like this. But would we want something like this tall? 60 floors, that's the question. So we have about 10 floors of parking facility. 10 to 15 floors of parking facility. Let me know your thoughts, let me know your comments. Let's continue walking. vlog vlog. I wonder who can tell me what car is that? What model car? Let's see. Who knows their vehicle? Alright guys, so this is the Brickell Mall. So it's about 3 to 4 floors of mall, and then you have these mega mansion going up in the air. Hey Rush fam, so this is where we end the video. It's impossible to tour the entire Brickell with you guys. I tried to show you guys little bits here and there. We're right now at the arbor, right in Brickell, just ending out the video. So remember to leave your comments, remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to leave your comments. So thanks for watching. Thanks for touring with me. We know it's Rush Raymore Reviews, but it's also Rush Raymore Tours as well. So, you know, wherever I'm traveling to, I'm always going to try to bring you guys as well. So, we're right at the arbor. I'll show you guys around the arbor side where you can see the Miami port. Some cruise ships that are docked as well. And some skyscrapers. So, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys. And I'll see you on another video.